The 2010 BMW M3 by IND. The American tuner, IND, has revealed the ultimate BMW M3. The tuner modified the entire car, starting with the exterior paint and progressing through the engine, and the exterior look. And, of course, they have added a lot of carbon fiber parts. The IND M3 is painted in Atlantis Metallic exterior paint and features a new KW ClubSport adjustable suspension, Brembo 380mm brake kit, and a Akrapovic titanium exhaust system. The car's interior is inspired by the M3 GTS, the back seats have been removed and replaced with a custom roll bar. After assembling it, the tuner added carbon fiber door panels, leather BMW performance seats, a roll bar, and, the biggest challenge, a carbon fiber rear interior section. Oh, and the engine delivers a total of 522 HP. This little doozy of a package kind of puts BMW's 2011 performance package for the M3 to shame with its 4.0-liter V8 delivering a total of only 420 HP.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.